Hey you guys, this is your girl Phoenix. I'm back again with another video. I got my new background. As you guys can see, I am super excited about it. I think it's super cute. So today I have such a fun video set up for you guys. It's crazy. I gave my homegirl $50 and I asked her to go on Amazon and find me a wig. So let me make sure I don't show y'all my business. Turn it around. But here we go, guys, our mystery slay of the day. So I plan on doing this at least once or twice a month, you guys. I'm gonna hit you up and just have a friend or a family member or stranger, you never know, it could be you, but I'm going to have someone pick out what my next mystery slay is gonna be. And the only criteria I have is that it stays within a certain dollar amount. But it can be a wig, a half wig, a ponytail, whatever. So I have no idea what my best friend got me from Amazon. So I'm really excited. So we're gonna open this together. It is still sealed, you guys. So we're gonna open this together and do our mystery slay of the day. All right, so I'm gonna take out my mystery shears, which are just shears, but it sounds good to say mystery shears. So I am so excited just to see what this is, because it's so many wigs out here now, so many companies. I was like, I won't know what to choose. So we're gonna see what she picked for me. Ow. Okay, y'all, so here is the packaging, and you still can't see in the bag, so she picked good. All right, so it looks like this company, Andrea Hair Products. Let me get close so you guys can actually see. Really cute packaging. All right, so let's see what's in the bag. Y'all, we got color. Okay, so first of all, it came with these lashes. And these are actually some cute little wispy lashes. I took my nails off because I'm teaching a braiding class on Saturday. And can't be scratching the kids with my nails. Oh, okay, y'all, okay. So it looks like we have, she did good, y'all. She did good. Okay, so this is a wavier texture. It looks like maybe a body wave or, like, you know, if this was human hair and it came in a body wave pattern and then we wet it, that's kind of what it looks like. All right, let's check out this Wig Construction. Okay, so this looks like it's maybe a 13 by 3. Maybe. So here's the inside of the cap. We have a comb on the right side, a comb on the left, a comb in the back. You have your adjustable straps. And then it looks like we have about a good, this might actually be 4 inches exactly, if you part it directly in the middle. And then it looks like you get maybe 2 inches on the side, and that goes over from edge to edge. So a lace frontal unit, and let's see what the hairline looks like. The hairline actually doesn't look too bad to me. It does have longer baby hairs, but that's perfect for us to customize. Now, the texture of this wig, you guys, it actually feels pretty close to human hair. Like, it feels surprisingly close. I wasn't sure. I know my bestie. She usually sticks with, she loves black hair. Black is her favorite color. So if hair is like a 1, she is all over it. So that's why I did this makeup look, because I'm thinking like, oh, I know her, it's probably gonna be a 1. But she surprised me. So this, let's see what the package actually says. It has a label on it. Andrea Curly Hair Lace Front is 24-inch Honey Blonde. So that's the name of this, and this is by the company Andrea, like I said. All right, so let's plop this bad boy on and get to slaying for the day. So just based on how this feels in my hand, I'm gonna leave these drawstrings unstrapped for right now because my head is straight up 22 inches. So we'll see how this fits. Y'all, and I'm not a fan of synthetic hair like that, but I will say this synthetic hair actually feels really, really good. So I'm gonna put this on using my Pump It Up spray. The wig actually fits really nice. The lace is a little odd colored for me. It kind of has a dark almost tan but kind of olive undertone. But I think once I cut it off and I add my powder, we're gonna be fine. Okay, I would not have picked this for myself. I would not have, and she's cute. She's cute. I would not have picked this for myself. All right, so let's check the ear-to-ear situation here. So like I said, my head is exactly 22 inches. And the hairline's a little on the thick side, especially on the sides. But it looks like I'm not going to have to really cut much of anything off the side of this wig. So I would say it's definitely big hair friendly. I would say if your head is 23 inches, you definitely could still get away with this. Because this has a little bit of overlapping on both sides of my ears. So with that being said, I'm thinking if your head is like a 23, it'll probably be spot on. All right, and we got our long baby hairs that I probably will cut. All right, y'all, so I am going to cut away this. Headshot! All right. Yes, okay, all right, I can work with this. I really don't even feel like I need to apply much in the way of spray because I'm gonna wear this down. So I'm gonna need a comb. As soon as I remember what I told y'all every time. All right, so I just wanna see what this parting space looks like. All right, so the parting space is a little thick. We'd probably see it better if I had on, y'all. Got a little tangling happening. Got a little situation. Okay, all right. All right. I was gonna say we ain't had no tangles, but I never, I didn't run my fingers through this hair or anything. So the front hairline, where the little baby hairs are, doesn't look that bad. It don't look bad at all. All right, so I'm gonna take these baby hairs. I'm gonna take these baby hairs and cut these down a bit. Easy slay, with the assumption that you ain't trying to do a whole lot of plucking, pulling, everything else. It's a synthetic wig. Like, the whole point is that you're supposed to just throw this boy on and go. I don't know about y'all, but this is giving me a little something. This is giving me a little something, you know? So I'm just using my Pump It Up spray on my little toothbrush or whatever. I kind of just want to tuck these away. Let's see. Oh yeah, I like it better with no baby hairs. Or at least just not right there. This is cute, you guys. This is cute. So this one was $48. And I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see where it lands on me. So this is supposed to be 24 inches, and this is my boobs, but I don't have on the best bra. Whatever, we ain't gonna talk about that. What we gonna focus on, watch out, kids. And what we're gonna focus on instead is the length. So it lands right here, which is about 24 inches. If you pull it down, you can see where the actual length is, but it has those waves. You can see, here's the back. It's light and fluffy. I definitely would not recommend you brushing through this. I don't think you'll have any tangles or any problems as long as you're not actively brushing through it. The lace is soft. I really like this, you guys. And I'm usually not a fan of the dark root situation. Like I said, this is not something I would have picked for myself. Yes. $48, you get 13x4 parting space. I don't see anything about appropriate temperatures for this wig. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about whether or not you can apply heat to this wig, but I'm not going to. I will 9 times out of 10 wear it just like this. Let me put a little part in there just so you guys can see what it looks like with a part, and I'll put some powder in it. when you're just fluffing this hair with your hands, yeah, so there's a little part. I'm gonna put some powder in there. You can see where the tracks are right here. So like I said, you don't, and it looks like the dark root. I just realized that the dark root is not all throughout. It's literally just in the frontal area. So with that in mind, I would say definitely don't do a side part like I was ready to do, because you're gonna look all kinds of crazy. So we're gonna stick to a middle-ish type of part situation, or no part. Literally pooped powder all over this wig. Yeah, I feel like this would have to be parted out. I mean, this is not a wig that you can just put on without plucking that part some. So yeah, you're definitely, well, I guess if you put enough powder. I don't like when I have to put a lot of makeup in my wigs. I'm just not a fan of that. However, I am a fan of this hair. So yeah, apply some heat to the top to train this down. I personally would not go over like 300 degrees. I would keep it like real low, because like I said, homegirl don't have no information about how you can do her, you know, with heat or whatever. Yeah, I like it better with no part. But like I said, the hairline isn't bad at all. If you want to pluck it out, you can. I personally am not, because that's just me. Like, with something like this, it really should just be a throw on and go wig. So I'm not about to invest any actual time into it, but she is cute, y'all. She is cute. Time. Bye. Yeah, it was necessary. Bye, y'all.